Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Wholesale2B marketplace access, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Wholesale2B marketplace access, begin by visiting the Wholesale2B website. On the home page, locate the login option in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. Enter your registered email address associated with your Wholesale2B account. Next, input your password into the designated field. If you can't remember your password, utilize the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Marketplace tab in the menu. Click on the Marketplace tab to reveal additional options. Find the Marketplace Access section. In this section, you will see a list of available marketplaces. Choose the specific marketplace you wish to authenticate. Click on the corresponding Authenticate button next to your chosen marketplace. You will be prompted to enter your API credentials. If you do not have your API credentials, refer to the marketplace instructions for obtaining them. Input the required API key and secret in the respective fields. After filling in your API credentials, click the Authenticate button. Wait a few moments for the system to process your request. Once authenticated, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. You can now access the chosen marketplace within your Wholesale2B account. To ensure everything is working correctly, navigate to the Marketplace section again. Start exploring products and listings available for your account. If you encounter any issues, return to the support section for troubleshooting assistance. Your Wholesale2B marketplace access is now fully authenticated. Enjoy managing your online sales effectively with your new settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.